Want to apply for the American Express Platinum Cashback Everyday card in the UK? Here's a quick, clear guide to get you started. First, make sure you meet the basics. You need to be 18 or older, reside in the UK, have a solid credit history. It's helpful to have your income and address history ready before you begin. Head to the official American Express UK site and find the Platinum Cashback Everyday card page. Take a moment to review the perks, like up to 5% cashback on groceries and fuel in the first few months, plus ongoing cashback on everyday spending. Click apply now, then fill in your personal and financial details, name, address, date of birth, employment information, and annual income. Amex will run a soft credit check initially, so your credit score won't be affected. If the soft check is successful, you'll complete the full application and often get an instant decision. Once you have it approved, your card should arrive in about 5 to 7 working days. After activating it online or via the Amex app, you're ready to start earning cash back on everyday purchases with no annual fee. That's it. It's simple, fast, and straightforward. If this helped, well, hit like, subscribe for more how-to guides, and drop a comment below if you want me to cover another card next. Well, thanks for watching, and see you next time.